What's up, guys? A little weird seeing me open up the videos, huh? I think so too. Ryan said I need to start working on my vlogging. Anyways, head out to the shop today so I can pull the dash out and fix some wiring issues I'm having on my LS side, and also start mocking up my vintage air blower box under the dash. All right, let's head to the shop. All right, so let's get this dash pulled. Also, while we're here, we're going to go ahead and put some sound deadener right back here right behind the firewall so I can keep some of the heat out. Alright, that looks a lot better right there. Trying to get behind the AC box computer and tuck my LS wires a little bit better. So all the LS wires are behind the AC controls or AC box. So now let's put the box back in, and we'll start the wiring process on the vintage air box. All right, let's go.
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Put my dash back together.
What you doing? Like, what you doing though?
Oh God, I'm trying to
I saw something like nuts over there, and it wasn't your nuts. Like what
my nuts, huh?
What you got over there?
For the time being, I got.
So we were inspired
by
this guy that builds cool trucks.
Yeah, I think they're called HQ. What is it?
The Werney or something? The Journey.
The Journey.
HQ
Journey.
And
HQ Journey guys.
He said this is the best way to wire up vehicles.
Yeah, perfect way. So that's what I'm doing.
The best way is to put up.
So that's what we're doing.
Wire nuts. Like
I think his name was
Russell.
Russell. Yeah,
Russell. That's right.
This is how you do it.
Yeah, I saw his YouTube one time. Somewhere in the hillbilly country or somewhere in East Texas. I'm not sure.
Yeah, so we're gonna take their.
I mean, that was good advice. I mean, you just put 2 wires together and screw it, literally.
Right. I mean, if they're doing it, we can do it.
Do it.
I mean,
looks like it works to me. Done. We're gonna leave the wires like that too. I mean, that's what he suggested.
Yeah. So thanks again, guys.
Thanks. That's a great tip. Appreciate it. Well, we're getting close to having a cool cab.
Cool for right now. Here pretty soon, heat.
It'll be heat and cool. He's trying to get it where, well, right now that's air conditioner and heater, right?
Yeah, air and heater.
And then he's trying to get it where he can cut it off and do defrost. So we may do some. He's gonna do it. I don't know what the hell he's doing.
I don't know either.
But it's in there.
It's all in there.
I mean, I think it'll. I mean, like I said, you only got a 1x1 cab to fill up. I think you'll cool off and heat up pretty well.
Yeah. I think next time we take the dash out, we'll get good pictures of the inside behind the dash.
Yeah, how it was mounted in there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm still thinking of the idea.
This is the vents to the
factory 94,
factory AC.
97 ductwork behind the dash.
Yeah. Trying to figure out how he's going to modify where it'll all go back into that unit behind the dash. Yeah, there's no way all this would work with it because it's just too bulky with that.
No, that will fit.
Will it fit in there with that unit?
It's just right here.
Oh, yeah, so you need to get rid of this. This goes to the floor.
That's the floor.
Cut that out. Then it'll be, you need to duct work it into that.
Yeah.
And then this, yeah, okay.
Yeah, so I want to try to use all of it, but like I said, I can cut it right here and hook that tube right here and hook that tube over there, and the middle won't have no vents. I'd rather try to have.
But I mean, this is already in the middle anyway.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't hurt to have that too.
No, it's just right here. That's what's hidden the box in it right now.
Yeah.
So.
This is the behind the scenes of trying to figure crap out.
Yeah.
That we don't really know what the hell we're doing.
Yeah.
I don't. I'm letting him do it. I don't know anything about it.
I'm the guinea pig.
His truck's been the guinea pig of everything that van has not yet got. So, LS swap, now air conditioner, which mine's got Astro van has a lot more room than a tiny little cab S10. So if it works in this, that's easy. Yeah, shouldn't have no problems.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, the figuring out part behind the scenes of it.
Got one part done.
Yeah, part one. We'll put this all together one day when it's all together. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe we'll video part one, put it together, and then we'll part two it.
I mean, this part right here is just trying to get it in and hooked up.
I mean, I feel like that's probably, I don't know, I wasn't here for it, so I feel like that might have been the hardest part. I don't know.
What, fitting it?
Yeah, getting it all in there, getting it in the dash.
Not really. It wasn't that bad. I just had to cut off one factory bracket that was behind the dash. That's it. And I made my own brackets. What that came with the kit.
I
modified their brackets.
You got all that on video? Because I don't know. I wasn't here.
No, I didn't. My phone died.
His phone died. Vloggers. So we're halfway to air conditioner.
And heater.
You're going to need the heater probably before you need the air conditioner now.
Yeah.
Although you spent most of the summer sweating in it. I mean, it's a daily right now.
Literally,
unfortunately,
the last 3 months has been a daily.
It's unfortunately a daily. Yeah. It's fun until you have to daily it every day. Yeah. And that's just like, oh, okay.
I'm just glad I had it sitting.
Yeah, no kidding. It's a great backup vehicle anyway.
All right.
If you can just keep it going too.
Dude, I was freaking out there for a minute.
It's had a couple issues with it.
Yeah.
It's a mini truck. It's a custom mini truck. It's not like it's going to have some problems, and they reared their ugly head on it.
Hey, you got to do what you got to do.
Hey, that's what you got to do. Apparently, tell them what happened.
Well, which part?
Whatever happened, the reason why it stopped.
This or the other one?
This one. Nah, the other one. You can tell them that part too.
Oh, while I'm dailying this one?
Yeah, why you're dailying this one.
So, only reason why I'm dailying this is because my full size, the motor decided to want to pop.
And before that,
the transmission went out.
Transmission went out. So, and pretty soon it's going to have a new transmission and a new motor.
No, it already has a new transmission.
It has a new transmission.
It's about to get a used motor.
No, it's going to have a used, newish motor.
Newest little mild motor.
Another motor in it. Yeah.
So that's why I've been dailying
this turned into a daily.
Yeah. The last 3 months.
And then it tried to quit on you the other day.
And it broke down because of some wiring issues.
I mean, it's not original wires.
Yeah.
So, I mean, things happen.
Well, it's still trucking.
It's still rolling.
It ain't dead.
It ain't dead. Mini trucking ain't dead. So this is like part.
That's the shirt I'm wearing.
It is. No, yeah, it is. That's funny. How ironic.
Yeah.
So this is like part one of the AC
install.
Yeah.
Fitting the box, vintage air box behind a stock S10.
I may put all the videos together in one, or we may do part one, part two. I don't know. It depends.
Yeah.
We'll see. We first got to get video from his phone over to my phone to my computer, or his phone to my computer, one or the other. Got to figure that part out. Yeah. Android users and stuff, you know. It's because most people are going to be watching this on an Apple, so, you know. All right. Well, appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see you later. Keep it custom.
What's up, guys? Today I'm installing my bulk fitting for my AC and heater on the S10 today. So like I said, we're gonna install it right here, right above the tire. That's the best place I could put it. I don't want to put it down low near the header or up high. It looks funky, so I'm gonna put it right here. All right, let's start drilling. That one We doing good, guys. We got 2 out of 4. Gotta get the last 2. So right here, we got it behind the firewall. Got 2 45s. I need to order 2 more 45s for the AC side. All right, let's go in the engine bay. All right, guys, that's what the inside of the engine bay looks like. It'll work. I'll have heat. I'll have AC. All right. All right, guys, I think it's gonna wrap this up on this install. I got the bulk fittings in, tightened down, and also I got to order some more fittings for the AC side. But I think I got it. What's up, guys? Well, we're back at the shop again. Gonna be hooking up the heater side and getting the controls hooked up and the box wired in. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, got the plumbing side done. Get that out of the way. It's wired up, all the wires are tucked. All we gotta do now is do the from the engine, or from the firewall to the engine, and then put the dash back in, plug up the switches, and then shoot, we got a heater in this truck for right now. And then later on I'll end up hooking up the AC, but right now it's starting to get a little chilly, so I don't want to freeze my butt out. All right, let's finish the other side and put everything back together. I got there. All right, I didn't get the take 72. Well, I didn't get a chance to record this in because I was in a hurry, but I got the radiator hoses hooked up to the bulk fitting all the way up to the water pump. So come to find out, the feed is 5/8 hose on the back part of the water pump, and then the return is 3/4, but you have to have an adapter from 5/8 to 3/4 in to the water pump. But all the bulk fittings and all that is all 5/8. So all right, now let's test this thing out. Feet, got face, and we got feet and face. Blowing pretty good. Pretty good install right there, I say so. So as of right now, I'm only gonna do the heat side, because I still got to order some more parts for the AC side, but it's about to get cold, so I at least had to get something in here. So this is part 1 of it. So once we get the rest of it, we'll do a part 2 on the AC side.
All right, y'all. That's our Cisco. So Cisco's part 1 of his heater vintage air install. We'll do a part 2 when we do it. We're gonna try to get back to doing some videos. I can't promise you when or what. We was gonna do a car show this weekend, but life happens.
Yeah.
Rain happens also, so apparently that's a problem.
And also, life happens. My truck brought down, so I've been daily in this.
Yeah, daily in a bodied truck every day. See, kind of needed a heater. It wasn't like he just did this because it'd be cool for video.
Yeah.
So that's why I was like, go ahead and video it while you're at it.
So technically, this is like the old days. You fucking, oh dang, I can't say that.
I can bleep. I can do it. Turkey call.
Yeah, it's like how we used to do back in the day. You got a part, you try to fix it, put it on, and try to get back to work the next day. So
Yeah,
it's kind of like the same way.
I ain't trying to do none of that. Not even. That's my daily right there. It's daily piece of sheet metal just sitting there. I ain't trying to daily nothing.
Yeah. But it's been rough the last 3 months of me daily on this thing.
Especially now that it's like 40 degrees in the mornings.
Yeah.
So the heater's
The heater has been really nice, and I should have done this a long time
What he don't
ago.
know, it's gonna be like 95 degrees in January. He's gonna need an air conditioner center.
Hey, but it's halfway there.
Yeah. I mean, the hard stuff's done. The install part's done. So, but yeah, we'll do a part 2 on it, or he'll do a part 2 on it, and just depending on what we're doing. And we're gonna try to get some stuff up. I don't know. Like I said, I've missed 2 shows in the last 2 months that I was gonna put on here, and life happens. That time I had to go to work. I took like some load to New York, so that changed that. I went for money. I figured I'd go make money instead of go to a show. This week I got family stuff. He's not driving this in the rain because there's an exposed air filter. So
And no wipers.
no wipers. Yeah, a lot of Rain-X ain't gonna cover a hard downpour. So yeah, and somebody's having fun back there.
Yep.
But yep, we're gonna try to get on. We're gonna try to keep stuff going on here somehow, even if we might sweep the floor of our shop again.
So
Apparently, 1,800 people enjoyed that video for us to sweep the floor of their shop.
So like and subscribe. Tell us what you think.
Comment below.
Comment below.
Hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down.
Share
Share it with all your friends and your cousins and your mom and your brother and whoever else that may or may not like it. I don't know. We'll see you. Peace.